Dear students, after discussion of these four definitions, that is wealth definition, welfare definition, scarcity definition, and growth definition, we concluded here among four definitions. I think the growth definition is most important. So, as per that scarcity definition, according to Professor Robbins, that is the economic, the science which studies that human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. It means three features I have already said. One is that human wants are unlimited. Another is that resources or means are limited. And third one, the resources have that alternative uses. So, in this definition, there is that scarcity. Scarcity refers to the limitation of supply in relation to demand for a commodities. Suppose now in your class there are 70 students. So these 70 students, they need that 70 economic books. If the books are available in the market, only 30 books. So no doubt, as per the demand of the 70 students, the 30 books are scarce. That is called the scarcity of resources. So that scarcity refers to the limitations of supply in relation to demand for a commodities. It refers to the situation when wants exceed the available resources. As a result of, goods are not readily available and society does not have enough resources to satisfy all the wants of its people, is to be called as scarcity. So, in a world, in a universal, scarcity is everywhere. That is scarcity for every individual, every organization, every economy. Scarcity of resources calls for economizing resources. It means if the resources are scarce, so naturally the person will intend to use these resources very less or very economically. Unnecessary that resources should not be used. For example, water is a scarce resources. So whenever we are using our water in our daily life, we should be used economically. Unnecessary, we should not give the chance to waste that water, because water resources are scarce. So economizing of resources refer to here making optimum use of the available resources. Making optimum use of available resources. It means what resources we have. Suppose we resources 1 lakh rupees. So 1 lakh rupees will be utilized in such a way that we can get that maximum benefit. It does not mean that 1 lakh rupees to give to anyone for that charity fund. So here is my point is that economizing of resources refers to the making optimum allocation of resources or use of available resources. There is a need to economizing as we have to satisfy our unlimited wants and our limited resources. So this is our problems. What is the problem? How this scarce resources will be used. Because what did I say? Repeat. I am repeating again. Human wants are unlimited, but the means to satisfy them are limited. That is why all our wants cannot be fulfilled at a time. All our wants cannot be fulfilled at a time. In order to maximize the satisfaction, every person, every consumer exercises choice as to which goods should be consumed and in what quantities. And in what quantities. This is the big problem for ourselves. Therefore, all our wants cannot be fulfilled. In order to maximize satisfaction, every consumer exercises choice to get his satisfaction as to which goods should be consumed